welcome to your today's chemistry session, my Kitain Army. I hope that you all are doing fantastic and amazing and happy also because of the syllabus reduction. Yes. Okay, so we are having the third session of acids, bases and salts now. Let's discuss that, and I know you are also waiting for further syllabus reduction, but let's see what happens. Okay, so in this session we are going to talk about the classification of bases. We have already done the classification of acids. Okay, so if in case you have missed the session, go back to the past class and see in the replay. That's very easy. Okay, chalo. So now if you are new to the 9th and 10th English channel, then please do subscribe to the channel because we are actually here just for you. Yes, so we want your support, we want your love. Only then we would be able to continue things up here. Okay, so for that note, you have to like the video, share it with your friends if in case they don't know that ICSE has started on the English channel as well. So you have to tell them, okay, so that you are able to help yourself also. Even when the sessions are premiere or they are live, you always have to come with one simple objective, that is to understand the things, that is to learn and grow. Okay, chalo, so like, share and subscribe. I will tell you the learning objectives of the session. So by the end of the session, we would be able to understand the classification of the bases and the definition basically. So starting with some bases, common bases around us, you know that generally the detergents that you are using, the floor cleaners that you are having, soaps you are using, they are having bases in them. Yes, and apart from that, antacid is very important. So you know that whenever you have access of indigestion in the stomach, the acidity increases, then doctor advises you to take some antacid, some tablets which are like you have milk of magnesia. The doctor somehow like sometimes they just advise you to take the sodium bicarbonate, that is baking soda, because they are mild bases. Okay, so they will be reacting with the excess of acidity produced in the stomach and would be neutralizing that, so that you will feel better. Baking powder you are having to increase the fluffiness of your cakes, and they also do not make the food item bitter. So there are plenty of bases around us. If we talk about our body, so you know that information is stored in the DNA because we have the bases around. Yes, so you have adenine, thymine, guanine is there, and Maria ma'am can tell you better. So let me tell you, I was not very great in biology, okay, but somehow I passed it with good marks still. So you know that bases are very important. Okay, so we have to understand the definition. So I have told you that there are different ways to approach the acids and bases. For the bases, one simple concept I am telling you. This definition is saying base is a chemical compound which reacts with hydronium ion of an acid to form salt and water. So let's say I am having an acid and acid is giving me hydronium ions. Yeah, simply you can just take hydrogen ions. Okay, so base is that species which will be neutralizing this acid because bases have OH ion in them. Okay, so in the aqueous solution, this H plus is neutralized by OH ion and we would be getting the formation of water and salt along with that. So generally bases can be defined as simply those substances which when dissolved in water would be giving you OH ion, hydroxide ion you can call it, or you can say hydroxyl ion also, some books say that. Okay, so like I will take an example, sodium hydroxide, you have taken aqueous solution. So in water it will break down this bond, sodium and oxygen bond is going to break down, and I would be getting sodium ions in water and I would be getting hydroxyl ions in water. Okay, so these ions, the species is a base. Clear hai? And if you talk about the color of the litmus paper, basically they would be turning red litmus solution blue, or red litmus paper will turn blue in the bases. Example, I have told you magnesium hydroxide again is a base. Copper oxide, you can take the example, this is milk of magnesia, magnesium hydroxide. Aqueous solution is going to give you OH ions in water. So summing up the properties, I can also say that bases contain either displaceable or you can say replaceable oxide ions. जैसे copper oxide की अगर आप बात करोगे, ठीक है? So copper oxide is a base and it is having copper in +2 oxidation state, oxygen in -2. So they have oxide ion. O2 negative ion is there. Okay, and this is displaceable. Let's say you make it react with an acid, then what will happen? Exchange of ions happen. I would be getting copper chloride and water. Okay, so you can see this oxide ion is displaceable. That is how also one approach to define the base. They contain displaceable oxide ion and hydroxide ions. The same you can do here. Sodium hydroxide, make them react with an acid. Let's say I've taken hydrochloric acid. So sodium is present as Na plus, hydroxide OH negative. This is all in the aqueous solution. So you mention AQ everywhere. Just it's all happening in water. Okay, so NaOH, this is in the aqueous state. HCl aqueous. H plus ions, chloride ions. Now these OH ions are displaceable. Okay, so they will be combining with H plus to form water, and I would be getting salt. Okay, so one other way to define them, they have displaceable oxide or hydroxide ions. Easy peasy, very easy. Okay, बिल्कुल difficult नहीं है. So you can just, if you want to do the rapid revision, you can also increase the speed of the video. That is going to save a lot of time. Ma'am, you are already speaking slow, so fast. Okay, so we have discussed this. Okay. Examples also we've discussed. Sodium hydroxide, you take aluminium hydroxide again, all are the bases. Then there's this term that you will very frequently see, alkali. Okay, like alkali metals are there, alkaline earth metals are there. So this term alkali simply refers to the bases only. But alkalis are those bases which are soluble in water. Okay, just say I'm going to take an example. Sodium hydroxide in water is soluble. Okay, so this is a water soluble base, so I can easily call it as an alkali. But again, not all bases are water soluble. ठीक है, जैसे potassium hydroxide is again water soluble, ammonium hydroxide is water soluble, so they all are alkalis, but all the bases are not alkalis. जैसे I have an example, copper oxide. ठीक है, I can take an example. Copper oxide is a base, but it is not water soluble, so it's not an alkali. ठीक है, you can take ferric hydroxide, FeOH3. You can take aluminium hydroxide. Okay, they are bases, but they are not water soluble. So bases, not alkalis. One more thing, alkalis are all bases. So this is a true statement that all the alkalis are bases. They all are going to OH ions in water, but all the bases are not going to be the alkalis. There might be some water insoluble bases. So I can simply explain it with the Venn diagram. Let's say the circle is representing all the bases, all species which give OH ions in water. Then there would be some selective bases which are water soluble. So they will be alkalis. Okay, very easy, very easy. Okay, I guess there is no confusion. So now ma'am is going to tell you something very interesting. So if syllabus is reduced, that doesn't mean you don't have to study now, right? So I am telling you that if you want to join Vedantu in the full year journey, if you don't want to take any risk with your board exams, then you have to be a part of the Vedantu's Pro Subscription. Why? Because we are also taking the classes on YouTube. Then ma'am, I don't need to take the Pro Subscription. So on the YouTube, we are not able to cover the entire syllabus. You have to do the every kind of question, and especially the practice is very important, and practice will come when you test yourself, when you are appearing in the test, when you are taking the test series and you are knowing your rank, you are knowing your performance, you are comparing your marks with your own marks which you got in the previous sessions, right? So let's say you are comparing your marks to that of your marks which you achieved in the last semester, maybe in the last month, right? So you have to improve there. So the only thing to know that is to take up the test series also. So Vedantu par you are getting a complete package of the improvement. Okay, and that too with a guarantee this time. So we have Vedantu's improvement promise for you all. So if you are taking the subscription for 1 year long program, then your fees would be returned back if there is no significant improvement. ठीक है, you say ma'am I don't see any improvement in myself, then आपके पैसे वापस हो जाएंगे. There is not an issue at all. Okay, the next thing is that go for 1 month trial subscription. Do you know why? Because with this 1 month trial subscription you would be getting the unlimited live classes. So let me tell you, the pro exclusive micro courses have already been started. Your Abhishek sir, Amrit sir, Anubha ma'am, Shilpi ma'am, Ananya sir, Bhavna ma'am, all the teachers of YouTube 9th and 10th English and Hindi channel are going to take these pro exclusive micro courses. I hope you understand this thing. Yeah, so means you can cover the most important topics of every subject right here. You can see this best approach to master periodic trends. You people are always confused in this. So we have taken this topic. Redox reactions, easy study, the different definitions and ways to approach it is also part of it. Okay, so 1 month trial subscription ke liye, let me tell you, July is the best month because the course price is cheapest at this point of time. So it's like completely worth it. And do you even know what are the things that you would be getting apart from the guarantee? You would be getting unlimited live classes. Ma'am, are they all live classes? Exactly, they are live. So you people always keep on complaining YouTube per it's all the premiere session, So you want to interact with the teachers, you can be a member of the pro subscription because all the classes are live and you would be able to interact with the master teachers as well. Personalized attention you would be getting from the teachers, and they are all unlimited in number. Means in 1 month trial subscription you would be able to cover so much of the syllabus. Like, think from that perspective. Okay, compete with the students throughout the world, so you will know your rank, performance, the in-depth performance analysis would be done, and we keep on conducting tests after every chapter completion. Okay, so you would be always updated with that, with the new questions, the new pattern, everything. So it's like a complete package. I always say that. Interactive replays hote hain. So if in case you miss a live class, then you can still attend the quizzes. You can play the quizzes. You will get the scores. You will get the marks and everything. Leaderboards is also there. Okay. Ma'am, do we get some sort of notes? Is it possible to get notes in the online education? Definitely it is. And Vedantu has proved it because now we have started delivering the hard copies of the notes as well to your address. ठीक है, so आपके घर पे आ जाएगा if you are a part of full year subscription. 1 month subscription में भी you get the notes. Okay, you will get the handwritten notes, the soft copies of the class notes, which are like literally scribbled during the live class by the master teachers. You would be getting that. In class doubt solving is there with the quality test and assignments. Wow, that's something awesome. So like what happens whenever the session is premiere on YouTube or it's live, the teachers are not able to take your doubts. You keep on typing the doubts. Teachers sometimes they answer it, sometimes, like most of the times, they are not able to. But that is not the case on the platform. Wahan par we are having a team of class teachers and master teachers, and yes, they will be helping. We will make sure that all your live class doubts are being resolved. Okay, so there is no tension. You do practice at home. Whatever doubts you are having, just write them in a notebook, come to the class, ask them from the teachers also. This is also one way of utilizing it. Okay, unlimited micro courses, and I always say that micro courses are a plus point. Okay, so in the 1 month subscription, attend as many micro courses as you can. They will still be accessible to you. When the subscription ends, you would be able to attend them, right? Okay, and unlimited micro courses means the syllabus completion. Wow, so maximum syllabus you can cover within a month if you take the micro courses in a specified manner. If you make a plan, today I will attend this micro course in this time period, this, and this all I'm not telling for chemistry only, this all is applicable for physics, chemistry, biology, maths, social sciences, and English. 6 subjects I'm talking about, and the price is cheapest. Crash courses also you would be getting whenever they will be started. Okay? So you have more classes at a less price. What else do you need? And ma'am, we also need a discount, so we have a coupon code for that. SKA Pro, you can apply. Take the enrollment. Batches are starting now. How to get the access? Let ma'am show you also. जैसे देखो, this is the video which you are watching right now. Like it first of all. Okay, then we will scroll down. This is the description box. यहाँ पर tap on here, and in the description box you can see this point. Register for, sorry, I guess I'm not visible. Now it's fine. Now my orientation is changed. Like the video, scroll down. Yeah. Register for Vedantu Pro Subscription, get a 10% discount. Tap on there. This screen देखो, already ICSE for 22 is selected here. These are the 3 programs that we are having, 3 plans that we are having. The first one is the Pro Lite subscription, then Classic, and then Plus. Okay, whatever all the features that ma'am has told you, you get all these features in the Lite subscription. This is best for you if you are a student who studies regularly, you take the classes seriously, you are a very punctual student. Go with the Lite subscription. You get unlimited classes here, you get assignments and notes here, you get doubt solving during the live classes, everything. Okay, ठीक है. Again, I am advising you to go for 1 month subscription. It's available in 2,340 rupees. Last month it was for 3,000 rupees, right? So now the price in July is always the lowest. I always tell you. And how you have to apply the coupon code, I will show you. देखो यहाँ पर enter the coupon code SKA Pro. It's already coming in the drop down, and then you will get some off. Okay, these are the different payment options available. You can do via phone pay, net banking, whatever you are comfortable with, right? And if you trust us enough, if you have taken the trial month subscription already, now you can go for the complete course. Complete course, maybe there is again some discount on applying coupon code. You're getting 3,050 ka discount almost you are getting. And this is coming with a guarantee, let me remind you. So if in case you don't find any improvement, we will return your fee. ठीक है? So कोई लूट नहीं रहा है आपको, it's all worth it. Then classic subscription में you also are gonna get this doubt solving mobile application. So if you are someone who is solving a lot of questions, you are preparing for foundation exams, then go for classic. ठीक है? The doubt solving time is like around 8 AM to 11 PM. As many doubts as you are having, you can get all of them resolved. That is also a very good feature, classic. And then we have personal mentor, which you get in the Plus subscription for extra guidance, for extra, you can say, assignment discussion, for career counseling sessions. You have any other confusion in any subject, you would be getting a mentor. Okay? Chalo. So now let ma'am also show you the platform. This is how Vedantu platform is going to look like. My sessions, my courses, you would be able to see that. So in my session, let's say this is the class which I have to attend tomorrow, and on 7 July 6:15 to 7:15 PM, the teacher is Shilpi Kaushik. This is the topic. Okay, chalo. Now if you, let's say, want to go to a past session and you have to attend any of the past class again, you're going to watch the replay. Let's say yeah, we have chemical reactions and equations. I'll tap on replay. यहाँ से you can watch the replay. This will be interactive. Yeah, this will be interactive in nature. You can see that how we take the classes. The quizzes are also conducted in a way. Okay. Chalo, this is clear. And when you scroll down, you would be able to see here that how many doubts were asked in the class. 196, and all of them are resolved. Okay, so that is a plus point. And यहाँ पर you will get all the details, when the quiz was started and when this page was turned. Again, quiz was started and stuff. Okay, that's awesome. Let's say you want to download the session notes. Like, ma'am, I want to revise from the notes. Then tap on get notes. then simply the PDF would be downloaded. This is how it's going to look like. These are the handwritten notes, whatever teacher has taught in the class, that all you would be able to see here. ठीक है, handwritten notes are there, and these are the quizzes that we are having. So we conduct them in a way that you would be getting the stars and position on the leaderboards, points, and it's all the information. ठीक है, I guess you all are clear with that, so you don't have to take stress because Vedantu is here with you. Simply go and take the trial subscription. That is the best thing. Okay, I guess everything is clear. Now coming back to the classification of bases on the basis of strength. If you remember, for the acids we did ऐसे ही we gonna do for the bases also. ठीक है, on the basis of strength, like strong bases, weak bases, then on the basis of their acidity, this is the main classification. Strength, strong base, this is your Ananya sir. अनन्या सर तो मुझे लग रहा है वीक वाले हैं. डोंट टेल अनन्या सर. ओके, दिस इज अनन्या सर एंड नहीं, लेट्स से गोपाल सर. स्ट्रॉन्ग, गोपाल इज स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड दिस इज अनन्या सर. अनन्या सर तो कुछ भी नहीं बोलेंगे, गोपाल सर तो फिर भी लाइक ठीक है. ओके, आई एम कीपिंग हिम स्ट्रॉन्ग. अनन्या सर इज टू स्वीट, ही वॉन्ट स्कोल्ड मी, आई एम वेरी श्योर ऑफ इट. ठीक है, सो वी हैव द स्ट्रॉन्ग बेसिस एंड द वीक बेसिस. सो लेट्स सी अ स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. Just like strong acids, strong bases are those substances which undergo complete ionization in the aqueous solution. ठीक है, complete ionization. So OH ion concentration would be very high in the solution. ठीक है, जैसे कि I am going to take an example, sodium hydroxide aqueous solution you have taken. Okay, and let's say there are 100 molecules of sodium hydroxide. Then in water, all of them are going to break down to give me sodium ions. They all will ionize completely and hydroxide ions. So imagine OH ion की concentration कितना high होगा, very high. So strong bases are highly corrosive in nature. So make sure you stay away from them. You don't touch them. You don't taste them. ठीक है, not good for your skin also. Similarly, we have a weak base. Weak base is not going to be completely ionized. ठीक है, that would be partially ionized, or you can say incompletely ionized in water. ठीक है, incompletely ionized means all the molecules of the base are not going to break down to give you OH ions. So concentration of hydroxide ions would be very less in this case. Example, ammonium hydroxide. You have taken the aqueous solution, then let's say 100 molecules are there, then maybe only 20 are ionizing. Only 20 molecules are breaking down to give me ammonium ions and hydroxyl ions. So OH ion concentration is very less here. They are not as corrosive as the strong bases, but still we have to maintain distance from them. And in the normal life, we have the application of bases around us. ठीक है, चलो, one more thing. कभी कभी this is asked in the question that what kind of species would be present in the aqueous solution of a weak base. ठीक है, so aqueous solution of a weak base, you can simply tell some unionized molecules would be there. Molecules of ammonium hydroxide है ना. Apart from that, these free ions would also be there. So molecules and ions both would be there. Okay, some more examples are there. Ammonia is there, pyridine is there. Pyridine जो होता है, that you will study in class 11th in detail. That is also a very good base. Okay, so you can use that also. It's used as a solvent commonly and to prepare as a raw material to synthesize a lot of things. In paper industry also we use it. So that's again a weak base. Okay, the next classification is on the basis of acidity. जैसे एसिड्स में हमने किया था, वी हैड मोनो बेसिक एसिड्स, डाई बेसिक एसिड्स, ट्राई बेसिक. ऐसे ही वी हैव द bases. Mono acidic bases are those bases which are going to give me one OH ion per molecule. Like you have taken a base. ठीक है, देख लो example. I have taken sodium hydroxide base. ठीक है, it will ionize to give me sodium ion and one hydroxyl ion. ठीक है, सिर्फ वन OH ion मिला water में, so it's a mono acidic base. Similarly, potassium hydroxide will be giving you one OH ion in water, ammonium hydroxide one OH ion, so they all are mono means one. one OH ion in water, so they are monoacidic. ऐसे ही we have diacidic bases. Now they will dissociate in aqueous solution to give us 2 hydroxyl ions per molecule. Means one molecule would be giving me 2 OH ion. Very basic example, magnesium hydroxide आप ले सकते हो, calcium hydroxide you can take. Okay, so aqueous solution is gonna give me what? Are you sure what you would be getting? 1 calcium ion and 2 hydroxyl ion. This is what ma'am was talking about. One molecule of the base has given you 2 OH ions in water. So it's a diacidic base. Di means 2. ठीक है, ऐसे ही you can go with the triacidic base. Triacidic में 1 molecule of the base in water is giving you 3 hydroxyl ions. Do we have an example for that? Definitely we do have. Ferric hydroxide. FeOH3 का aqueous solution you are going to take and you would be getting ferric ions and 3 hydroxyl ions. I'm showing an equilibrium arrow to tell you that they are the weak bases. They will be partially ionized. Okay? So 3 OH ions from the one molecule of base makes it a triacidic base. That was very simple, very easy. So today we are done with the classification of bases. I hope everything is clear to you and do practice it. Do watch the previous session if in case you missed it. And this is a homework question for you. Give 2 examples of weak bases and also mention the importance of them in the daily life. And I do check the homework answers. I also remember the name of the students. So next class I will be adding the name of all the homework rock stars. Okay? Okay, very good. So we are done with the classification of bases. Next session would be based on the preparation of bases and the chemical properties of the bases. Again, reminding you of the subscription, the price is at its cheapest. Go for it. It's completely worth it and the prices will increase next month and the pressure of exam will also increase. So if you take the enrollment now, you will be having enough time to do the practice and to prepare yourself for the final exams. Okay? What is the coupon code? SKA Pro. Take a screenshot of the slide. How to choose your plan. This also is clear to you. Ma'am has told you everything. Okay? And you are paying all this for the unlimited classes. So मतलब अगर आप सोचोगे भी ना, one class you would be getting at 6 rupees, somewhere around that. मतलब क्या ही बोलना आप, है ना. So you know new batches are starting for ICSE 19th July and 12th July. So still the batch is open. You never know when the next lot will come for a new batch. So just do it now, okay. And for Maharashtra again 19th, CBSE के लिए it's started on 5th. ठीक है. Chalo, so this is the coupon code and if in case you have some confusion, you can reach out to me on Instagram. Ma'am will see you next time. Till then, take care and bye-bye.